Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mimi here, and we finally have a part 5 for our Pink, Purple, and Giraffes Oh My Scrapbook album. And I do have sad news though. This part 5 is the fake part 5. Real part 5 got lost. I have one little clip of it, and that is me showing off what it looks like. It is not any part of the making of the scrapbook. I have no idea where that part went, so I'm so sorry. This 24-part series just got cut down to a 23-part series, but the good thing is that you can still buy all 24 pages in my shop as printable downloads if you're interested. But without further ado, let's get into making this scrapbook page. I cut out this floral design from a journaling card, and I thought it was perfect at the bottom of this page because the page is so busy with those small little diamonds. The big flowers kind of break it up a little bit, which I really like. And then I like how the orange kind of plays off of the orange ombre at the top. And as always, all of my embellishments, most of them come from the paper pad itself. And I do have a video showing you exactly how I cut and decided to make these embellishments for this scrapbook album in particular. So I'm going to link that. It'll pop up in the little cards here. But it's always on my channel if you want to see that as well, and if the card doesn't pop up for you or something. But this page was pretty simple to put together. I just added some butterflies, which are from the Dollar Tree, super pretty, and I mean it came with like 50 pieces, so you can't go wrong. So I just added the little butterflies. I have that gold arrow there, and it was really easy. It really came together very well. As usual, as you hear me say a lot, I usually have a hard time putting pages together, but this one I did not. This one was nice and quick and beautiful. The picture featured is me on my graduation day with my little dog, Daisy May. If you guys don't know Daisy May, I'm sorry, you're missing out. She is a, what do you call that, character, let me tell you. But this finishes up the scrapbook album. I hope this inspires you to create something. And if it does, make sure you tag me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, all those things. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one, okay? Everybody have a good day. Bye.